In the fast-paced realm of technology, where change is constant, the strategic significance of maintaining state-of-the-art weaponry has never been more crucial. Nations worldwide recognize the imperative to continuously upgrade their weapons, ensuring they remain effective in the face of evolving challenges. This commitment extends beyond preventing obsolescence. It involves the relentless pursuit of innovation in weaponry. Responding to the ever-changing dynamics of global conflicts, the United States has recently unveiled a groundbreaking upgrade to one of its formidable gunships. This transformation elevates an already potent weapon to the status of a globally feared asset. In a world where military superiority is a constant pursuit, this upgrade marks a significant leap forward in the nation's defense capabilities. As technology evolves, so must the tools of warfare. The United States' commitment to advancing its military capabilities underscores the importance of staying ahead in an era where security threats are dynamic and unpredictable. This enhanced gunship represents not just an upgrade, but a strategic response to the demands of modern warfare, solidifying the nation's position as a global force to be reckoned with. AC-130J Ghost Rider. The Lockheed AC-130 is no ordinary gunship. It represents a formidable and durable ground iteration of the C-130 Hercules aircraft. Officially named Ghost Rider in May 2012, this aircraft stands out for its powerful ground attack weaponry, advanced sensors, and robust control systems. Operating as a fifth-generation gunship, the latest variant, the AC-130J, seeks to replace its predecessors, the AC-130U and AC-130W, with enhanced capabilities. The AC-130 gunships boast an extensive combat history dating back to the Vietnam War, where they played a pivotal role in destroying over 10,000 trucks and providing life-saving close air support. Their combat legacy solidified their reputation as a reliable and lethal force in various theaters of operation. The AC-130J Ghost Rider, the latest iteration, completed its test flight in January 2014, signaling a new era for this iconic aircraft. The AC-130J Ghost Rider program is a substantial investment, estimated to reach $2.4 billion. The program aims to deliver 37 AC-130J aircraft to the Air Force Special Operations Command by 2025. This commitment underscores the significance of the AC-130J in modernizing the gunship fleet and maintaining a cutting-edge presence in close air support operations. Technical upgrades to the AC-130J Ghost Rider include radio frequency countermeasure platforms supplied by Northrop Grumman Corporation and new electronic warfare systems provided by BAE Systems. These enhancements contribute to the aircraft's survivability and effectiveness in challenging operational environments. The AC-130J Ghost Rider achieved initial operational capacity for 16 aircraft in September 2017. The first upgraded Block 30 AC-130J Ghost Rider was delivered to the U.S. Air Force Special Operations Command in March 2019. With continuous testing and deployment, the AC-130J is set to replace the AC-130U Spooky gunship, marking a significant milestone in the evolution of this formidable aircraft. The AC-130J Ghost Rider boasts impressive dimensions, with an overall length of 29.3 meters, a height of 11.9 meters, and a wingspan of 39.8 meters. Operating at a maximum altitude of 28,000 feet, the aircraft has a maximum takeoff weight of 164,000 pounds. Designed to accommodate a crew of 2 pilots, 2 combat systems officers, and 3 enlisted gunners, the aircraft integrates safety features such as a fuel protection system and lightweight composite armor. The AC-130J Ghost Rider incorporates a modular precision strike package, PSP, developed by the United States Special Operations Command. The PSP includes a 30mm G-23 automatic side-firing chain gun, a 105mm cannon, and precision-guided munitions such as the GBU-39 small-diameter bombs and AGM-176 Griffin laser-guided missiles. This comprehensive armament allows the AC-130J to conduct precise and effective strike operations. equipped with 4 Rolls-Royce AE-2100D3 turboprops, the AC-130J Ghost Rider's engines drive 6-bladed Dowty propellers. The AE-2100D3 engines, each producing 3,458 kW of thrust power, contribute to the aircraft's impressive performance. With a maximum distance of 3,000 miles without refueling and a speed of 362 km per hour at 22,000 feet altitude, the AC-130J ensures extended operational range and flexibility. For over 40 years, AC-130s have been deployed in war zones worldwide, supporting special and regular forces across continents. The latest AC-130J Ghost Riders have been actively engaged in combat missions in Afghanistan since June 2019, providing close air support and armed overwatch to U.S. and Afghan operations. The demand for these gunships highlights their crucial role in achieving mission goals and underscores their continued relevance in modern conflict scenarios. Ghost Rider Unleashed. Colonel Terrence G. Taylor, the commander of the Combined Joint Special Operations Air Component in Afghanistan, reported that the AC-130J gunship, designated as Ghost Rider, has been actively engaged in combat missions since June. The deployment of the AC-130J marks a significant transition in U.S. military gunship operations. The AC-130J serves as the latest iteration of the AC-130 gunships, succeeding the Spooky gunships that entered service in 1995. These Spooky gunships, equipped with a 5-barrel 25mm Gatling cannon, a single-barrel 40mm Bofors cannon, and a 105mm howitzer, represent the last of the traditional AC-130 gunships. The AC-130U gunships, direct descendants of the original Vietnam War-era AC-130s, are notable for being the final platform in the U.S. military still utilizing the 40mm Bofors gun, a World War II-era weapon. However, maintaining these guns has become increasingly challenging, requiring global searches for spare parts and the reconstruction of 40mm ammunition from the 1940s. The Ghost Rider, AC-130J, comes equipped with a standard 105mm cannon and an additional 30mm G23A autocannon. Its arsenal includes a variety of precision-guided munitions such as the GBU-39B small-diameter bombs, GBU-44B Viper Strike glide bomb, GBU-69 small glide munition, AGM-176 Griffin missile, and AGM-114 Hellfire missiles. According to Special Operations Wing Commander Colonel Tom Polensky, the Ghost Rider is anticipated to become the most lethal gunship in history, potentially becoming the most requested weapon system by ground forces. The general specifications of the AC-130 highlight its robust design and weaponry. The AC-130 gunship is a durable and long-lasting aircraft based on the C-130 Hercules transport aircraft. It is specifically designed for ground attacks, featuring advanced sensors, navigation systems, and fire control capabilities. In contrast to many military planes, the AC-130 relies on visual targeting due to its large size and low flying altitude. It primarily conducts close air support missions at night, enhancing its effectiveness in combat scenarios. Originally developed by Lockheed Martin as the Project Gunship 2, the airframe was later converted into a gunship by Boeing. The AC-130 has replaced the Douglas AC-47 Spooky, or Gunship 1. Currently, the United States Air Force is the sole operator of AC-130 variants, including the AC-130U Spooky and AC-130W Stinger II, for tasks like close air support, air interdiction, and force protection. The upgraded AC-130J Ghost Rider is actively serving various roles, including supporting ground troops, escorting convoys, and engaging in urban operations. Its versatility extends to close air support and air interdiction missions, allowing it to target both planned and unexpected threats effectively. The lethal tactics. The AC-130 gunship employs a unique cabin design without pressurization, allowing it to execute specialized attack maneuvers. Its weapons are strategically arranged, enabling it to unleash firepower from the left side of the fuselage. During an attack, the gunship executes a pylon turn, a large circular flight pattern around its target. This tactical approach ensures sustained fire on the target for an extended duration, enhancing its destructive capabilities compared to traditional strafing attacks. The AC-130H Spectre, equipped with two 20mm M61 Vulcan cannons and an M137 105mm with M37 recoil mechanism from the M102 howitzer, underwent significant changes post-1994. The upgraded AC-130U Spooky replaced the Spectre's 20mm cannons with a more potent 25mm G2 equalizer cannon. The AC-130U also boasts an advanced fire control system and increased ammunition capacity, enhancing its overall combat capabilities. The AC-130J emerged as a result of the transformation of the MC-130J Commando II Special Operations tankers. In comparison, the AC-130W Stinger II, a modified C-130H, incorporates upgrades that enable precise strikes. The AC-130U, a predecessor, introduced the ANQ-180, a synthetic aperture radar, for long-range target identification. Navigational tools like inertial navigation systems and global positioning systems contribute to the AC-130U's operational efficiency. The AC-130U stands out with its 1990s technology, allowing it to simultaneously engage two targets. Its special equipment, the ANQ-180 synthetic aperture radar, enhances target identification and recognition capabilities, making it a formidable force on the battlefield. Furthermore, the AC-130U's ammunition capacity is twice that of its predecessor, the AC-130H, providing sustained firepower during extended missions. The AC-130W Stinger II, another variant, brings precision to its strikes. Modified from the C-130H, it possesses advanced capabilities that enhance its ability to conduct accurate and effective attacks. This evolution reflects the ongoing effort to adapt the AC-130 series to meet the demands of modern warfare. Utilizing inertial navigation systems and a global positioning system, the AC-130U showcases a sophisticated navigation infrastructure. These systems contribute to the gunship's ability to precisely locate and engage targets, maintaining its effectiveness in diverse operational environments. One of the distinctive features of the AC-130U is its ability to engage two targets simultaneously. Leveraging technology from the 1990s, this capability underscores the gunship's versatility and capacity to address multiple threats in a single mission. The AC-130U's formidable firepower is complemented by its substantial ammunition capacity, allowing for prolonged engagement and sustained support for ground operations. This enhanced ammunition load is a significant improvement over its predecessor, the AC-130H Spectre. The evolution of the AC-130 series, culminating in the AC-130J, reflects a continuous effort to adapt to the dynamic landscape of modern warfare. These gunships, with their advanced capabilities and lethal arsenal, remain pivotal assets in supporting ground operations and maintaining air superiority. Advanced Combat Platform. The concept of the AC-130 gunship was born out of the need to enhance aircraft endurance and ammunition capacity. Seeking to replace the Douglas AC-47 Spooky gunship, the military aimed to create an aircraft that could stay airborne for extended missions while carrying a formidable arsenal. The AC-47's ability to fly faster than helicopters and maintain high altitudes made it a strategic choice. In 1967, the JC-130A with serial number 54626 was chosen for transformation into the first AC-130A gunship. Wright-Patterson Air Force Base undertook the modifications, incorporating key enhancements. These included a special night vision telescope in the front door, a forward-looking infrared device in the left wheel well, and mounted guns and rotary cannons along the left side. The introduction of a unique maneuver, the pylon turn, allowed continuous and accurate shooting at a single ground target. Under the leadership of RAF Wing Commander Tom Pinkerton, an analog fire control computer prototype was developed at the USAF Avionics Laboratory. After rigorous testing at Eglin Air Force Base, the prototype was combat-ready by September 1967. Deployed to Nha Trang Air Base in South Vietnam for a 90-day test program, the AC-130 showcased its capabilities in real-world scenarios. Subsequent additions to the fleet included the AC-119 Shadow, though it proved less potent. In 1968, 7 more planes underwent modifications similar to the AC-130 prototype, while a surprise package upgrade introduced new weaponry, including 20mm rotary autocannons and a 40mm Bofors cannon. This upgrade served as a testing ground for the emerging AC-130E systems and weapons. By 1970, the PAVE Pronto project added 10 AC-130A planes, followed by further modifications and improvements. In 1971, the surprise package AC-130s transitioned to the PAVE Pronto setup, earning the nickname Thor. The subsequent shift towards turning C-130Es into AC-130Es for the PAVE Spectre project showcased ongoing advancements in weapons and systems. Despite various project names, the planes were commonly referred to by their squadron's nickname, Spectre. A significant weapons upgrade program initiated in 2007 aimed to replace the 25mm G2U and 40mm Bofors cannon on AC-130U gunships with 23mm M44 Bushmaster II cannons. However, the effort faced challenges, including accuracy issues at specific altitudes. The program, known as AC-130U+4, was ultimately discontinued, reverting to the original 40mm and 25mm cannons. Exploratory plans in 2010 considered replacing the 105mm cannon with a breech-loading 120mm M120 mortar. Additionally, discussions included arming the AC-130 with the capability to attack from a distance using AGM-114 Hellfire missiles. The Advanced Precision Kill Weapon System, or the Viper Strike Glide Bomb. In 2010, the Air Force awarded a $61 million contract to L3 Communications for the upgrade of 8 MC-130W Combat Spear Special Mission aircraft with precision strike packages. These upgraded platforms, known as Dragon Spears, exhibit gunship-like attack capabilities, marking a continued effort to modernize and adapt to evolving mission requirements. The ongoing evolution of the AC-130 series is exemplified by the Dragon Spears, equipped with advanced precision strike capabilities. As the Air Force continues to invest in upgrades, the AC-130 remains a crucial asset, adapting to the dynamic challenges of modern warfare and maintaining its legacy as a formidable combat platform. From Dragon Spear. In 2011, the Air Force introduced the MC-130W Dragon Spear, later renamed AC-130W Stinger II, to reduce the workload on existing AC-130 gunships. Equipped with precision strike packages, it became an interim solution until the arrival of the advanced AC-130Js. The AC-130W Stinger II was armed with a 30mm gun and various precision-guided munitions. It featured wings with rails for Hellfire missiles, SDBs or SDB-2s, along with 10 common launch tubes on the rear ramp. This allowed the aircraft to carry and deploy a variety of small munitions for enhanced flexibility in combat situations. Originating in 2011, the AC-130J Ghost Rider program aimed to modernize the gunship fleet. With plans to request $1.6 billion from fiscal years 2011 through 2015, the objective was to retire aging AC-130Hs and introduce 16 new gunships based on the MC-130J Combat Shadow II Special Operations tankers. Fiscal challenges led to funding adjustments, prioritizing the AC-130J program while retaining the C-130 fleet. This decision reflected the commitment to enhance gunship capabilities and maintain a versatile and reliable aircraft platform. Initiated in January 2013, the transformation of the MC-130J Combat Shadow II into an AC-130J marked a significant step in modernizing the gunship fleet. The first AC-130J was delivered to the Air Force Special Operations Command, AFSOW, on July 29, 2015, with subsequent gunships declared ready for action on September 30, 2017. The AC-130J Ghost Rider is designed in 2 blocks. Block 10 features an internal 30mm gun, small diameter bombs, and laser-guided missiles launched from the rear cargo door. In Block 20, additional capabilities include a 105mm cannon, large aircraft infrared countermeasures, wing-mounted Hellfire missiles, and radio frequency countermeasures, enhancing the gunship's combat effectiveness. As part of ongoing efforts, the Air Force is adding weapons to existing planes, including the MC-130W Dragon Spear and AC-130Ws. This initiative aims to bridge the gap until all new AC-130Js are fully operational, ensuring a continuous and effective gunship presence. Efforts to upgrade weapons on AC-130s involve plans to replace the 25mm G2U and 40mm Bofors cannon on AC-130U gunships with 23mm Mk-44 Bushmaster II cannons. However, the cancellation of this effort was announced due to accuracy issues and scheduling challenges, reinforcing the importance of reliable and proven weapon systems. Beyond conventional firepower. To enhance the AC-130J Ghost Rider's capabilities, the Air Force made the strategic decision to incorporate a 105mm cannon alongside the existing 30mm cannon and smart bombs. The precision and cost-effectiveness of the 105mm cannon's shells provided a valuable addition to the gunship's arsenal, offering a more accurate and economical alternative to dropping small-diameter bombs, SDBs. AFSOC aimed for significant advancements by considering the integration of a directed energy weapon, DEW, onto the AC-130J by 2022. Drawing inspiration from the Advanced Tactical Laser Program, this envisioned DEW could generate a potent beam ranging from 120 to 200 kilowatts. Its intended applications included defensive measures against anti-aircraft missiles and offensive capabilities targeting communication towers, boats, cars, and aircraft. While the DEW concept held promise, AFSOC faced challenges, particularly in determining the optimal placement. The initial idea involved situating the laser on the side, distinct from the 30mm cannon. However, concerns about air turbulence disrupting the laser beam led to the abandonment of this plan. The pursuit of DEW integration encountered technical obstacles, highlighting the complex nature of introducing advanced weaponry. Diversifying the AC-130J's capabilities, AFSOC explored an active denial system for airborne crowd control. Additionally, the Tactical Offboard Sensor TO's mission aimed to utilize small unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, to provide video feeds and coordinates to weapons operators, overcoming visibility challenges caused by weather or air defenses. The use of drones, such as the Ron Coyote, was considered for this mission, emphasizing the adaptability of the gunship in diverse scenarios. In June 2016, a contract from the Defense Technical Information Center, DTIC, marked a milestone in the development of the AC-130J's munitions. The GBU-69B small glide munition, weighing 27 kg and armed with a 16-caliber blast fragmentation warhead, was designed to hit ground vehicles traveling at speeds up to 120 km per hour while flying above 10,000 feet. This innovative munition added a new dimension to the gunship's precision strike capabilities,